So far it's been fantastic actually. We've had a really good 2 days. The main reason we exhibited is because we wanted to offer a slightly different perspective to a lot of the technology providers that are here. I think the main interest that we've had is that we are a consultancy, so we're stepping aside from the conversation of technology only. We're talking business first. We want to understand what challenges those businesses have now, what they'll have in the future, and we also have the background of understanding what those trends are going to be before we start talking about where the technology is best placed. See, then we can give them the discussion around how that technology can help them grow with that plan moving forward as well. And that's really resonated with a lot of customers.
It was great to be able to meet people and talk about different things. Particularly, a lot of people are interested on how to make the best out of CRM technology. What we've seen is that there is market overload. People are buying really expensive technology, but they're really not making the most out of it. In a survey today in one of the talks, people responded that the majority of them only use up to 30% of the value of the technology on a day-to-day basis. And this is because there is no digital strategy around how to build these digital frameworks. And this is one of the things that we're able to bring to the table, to merge best practices and methodology along with best-of-breed applications and software solutions such as Salesforce, Sugar CRM, Zendesk, Monday.com, etc.
I think one of the main reasons why Monday.com had such a great success over the event, we have a great exposure from different products to different solutions. We have licenses for different sizes of organizations, and we can feed any business of any size and bring everything in one single source of truth. Partnership with redk is very important for us. Partnership in general, partners are extending hand of us. If you want to go quick, go alone. If you want to go far, go together.
So I think it's really important that we do these events because brand awareness is really important. Our customers can understand who we are. We appreciate, especially within marketing, B2B and CRM world, there's a lot of noise to cut through, and we want to help customers cut through that.